Runice, a national high-tech enterprise, is specializing in research, development, production, and sales of core components of 3D printers, which provides solutions for printhead, extrusion, and transmission system for 3D printer manufacturers worldwide. The company has been maintaining a rapid growth and expanding its scale continuously since founded in 2013. At present, there are over 60 sets of fully automatic imported processing equipment and precision inspection instruments, which makes more than 30 automatic production lines for high-precision components and power transmission parts machining, which can provide customers with a professional ODM/OEM service and meet the needs of mass production. With technology as the core, innovation as the driving force, and high quality as the goal, Runice strives to create high-performance and cost-effective core components for 3D printers. In the development and application of micro-finishing technology of nozzles, the R&D team has been adopted the method that combination of FEA simulation and equipment platform test to make the structural design and verification more quickly and effectively. Ultra-high-speed, high-frequency cycle processing technology is adopted in the production to realize the precision hole processing of brass, hardened steel, tungsten, and other materials, which can provide customized service for ultra-high precision 3D printing customers. In order to solve the problem of heat break clogging in the printing process, all hole parts adopt unique multi-edge vibration cutting technology to achieve the machine requirements of a mirror-like inner hole. In the aspect of deep hole machining, the internal cooling deep hole machining technology is used to replace the traditional electric spark machine technology. The maximum length to diameter ratio of special materials can be up to 30:1. At present, Runice has owning dozens of intellectual property rights and invention patents of extrusion system, printing control system, model construction system, and etc. In the meanwhile, the company is the general distributor of gates in 3D printing industry in China. The products developed by the team, such as all-metal hot ends and ruby nozzles, are widely recognized by the market by virtue of its effectively improve the flow and deposition of filaments in the printing process, greatly promote the FDM 3D printer user experience.
作为一家技术创新型企业，瑞丽斯尤其重视技术创新型人才的吸收与培养，这让我们拥有了一支专业的技术研发团队，其中涵盖航空、医疗领域的 3D 打印应用负责人、3D 打印设备开发的产品人、精益生产的制造工程师等优秀人才。
For the production, the company has introduced the Advanced Intelligent Mess Management System to prevent and control products quality in an all-round way. Therefore, each batch of parts has a unique identification code so as to ensure the timely discovery, tracing, and resolution of abnormal problems. Based on the concept of total quality management, Runice has set up 5 quality inspection modules, which includes incoming quality control, production self-inspection, in-process quality control, appearance full inspection, and outgoing quality control. At the same time, the testing specialities carry out functional tests on products' performance and actual printing results.
卓越的产品质量一直让瑞丽斯引以为傲，这也是我们赢得客户信赖和认可的关键所在。我们在产品加工的每一个环节都设立了相应的检验标准，同时严格要求我们的同事进行标准检验，最后持续追踪检验结果，最大程度避免了不良品的出现，确保了客户产品的高品质。
Runice has always been pursuing customer satisfaction at its biggest goal. Up to now, it has served more than 3,000 customers, sold its products to more than 90 countries around the world, and formed a long-term and stable strategic cooperation relationship with many well-known 3D printer manufacturers at home and abroad. Thinking globally, the increasingly mature 3D printing technology is accumulating strength, triggering one after another technological revolution. With seizing opportunities and meeting challenges, Runice will come to deeply explore the 3D printing market, implement the development concept of technology, innovation, service and standards, work with the global leader in the 3D printing industry to promote the progress and development of the industry in the future.
同心追梦，志在